Triple five. You have a good evening time. Good hollering at you and talking to you, no doubt. Mr. Triple Five. 598 Rabbit, more Rabbit, Tennessee, Smoky Hills. 598, waving.
Hey, Mike's blowing smoke in the bayou. Yeah, kind of losing out there and all that mess. Well, it's doing a good job.
Triple five on the ground plane, man, down off the shore. 5 on the ground plane, D WaterBoy. Triple five, D WaterBoy down the hall, the Blue Ridge Mountain, they're looking break a break.
You on here is working great, but I think if you get a good mic on it, you should be good, man. That's good radio. That's what I talk on Rangers.
I appreciate Triple Five. We made it through that time. Welcome to the weekend. Triple five, you sound shorts coming around the part of the Blue Ridge Mountain. Take care, Triple five. Roll WaterBoy around the Carolinas back out.
Yeah, I've had that puppy for about 12 years now, and it still works. Never has.
Right on, Triple Five, cause you said it all. Roll WaterBoy back out.
WaterBoy down here around the Carolinas, waving a hand if I can. Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal.
Riverside, Southern Cal.
Yeah, it sounds real good right there.
Hey, 185, I heard you in there. Hey, 185, I heard you in there. Bluegill, Riverside, Southern Cal.
Big guy in the front. Oh, yeah, I'm on a broke-down Moonraker 4. Back door got blown off it the other day in a windstorm. I don't know what it is now. I guess 3 on it, but we got a 5 sitting in the backyard getting ready to put up.
Burn the stick, Big Daddy, burn the stick, Big Daddy in the front. 99, about 24 foot in the air. That's what it's been for about 17 years. I figured if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Grab me up a wall. There ain't the radio, it's the mixing board on there. I took a while to get back on Thunder Stick. Big Daddy in the bayou country. Southeast Georgia. About 50 miles north of Jacksonville, Florida. Little old town called Jessup. Yeah, I talked to some of your neighbors over there, you know. I can't remember the handles now. There's a couple of them guys that...
Hey, just take it on the chin like a man.
I didn't do it.
Take it on the chin like a man.
Quiet, numbskulls, I'm broadcasting. Mama said that.
Talking about anuses and stuff. Oh, shit.
Take the Xanax the doctor gave you.
And only there, Thunderstick. Be the one and only rabbit in these hills of 10 right about now, waving right back at you there, break.
Well, my good buddies up there bouncing around here.
All right, there, Thunderstick. Hey, you have a good evening time, no doubt. 598, you'll slide to the side just for a second here. Getting a phone call. Hate to run, but we got to. Rabbit, Tennessee, waving with this Beavis audio. Break.
Hello.
Yeah,